So you might be in a situation where for some reason Kalshi is just not working. Now, Kalshi is a very popular application right now, and you might be wondering why this particular app just isn't working for you. Now, it can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that your Wi Fi connection and your internet connection and all those other things are fully working. Sometimes, if they're not working or if they're not functional, that can be one of the main issues. So just go through, make sure you're not running into that type of problem. And that is basically going to be the main issue that we'll recommend starting off with first. So go through, double check those connections, and that's number one. Number two, if that doesn't end up seeming to be a way, a problem that ends up fixing this, the next thing I'd recommend doing here too is to just go through and seeing if there's an update available for the Kalshi application. So jump right over into here. You want to go and tap on update, and you just want to see if there is an update available for Kalshi. If there is, try updating your application, and that could be another one of those things that might end up just fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, if that's still not working, you can also make your way over to a website like downdetector.com, and it will go and tell you exactly which services are up and what's down. And from here, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see exactly what's up and what's down. And if it's trending up like OpenAI is right there, then that might mean that, Kalshi is basically not working right now. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.